Oh wow. Really, really, really good. I can just taste the seasoning. It's not too moist, but not too dry. I think it's just overall perfect, cooked right to perfection.
I really liked it. You can absolutely taste the woodiness inside of it. And I don't even like fish, but I like this. Yeah. You should definitely give it a try.
Yes. I thought it was really good. I felt like the cedar gave it good flavor. I could taste it. It was not overpowering, and I felt like it still kept the salmon moist.
You can really taste it. It's infused in there. I thought it was really neat. I've never cooked salmon with wood before. I think it's actually really good. I would do it. Yeah, I would cook with it. In fact, I want to grill more often, so this is a good way to get me out there doing it.